It happens, Molly. Marigolds never last very long inside.
Say, maybe I can surprise Mom by planting yellow marigolds outside for her. But she'll be home soon, and I don't know how to plant flowers.
Spacewalking isn't as easy as regular walking.
Special alert! Special alert!
Whoa. It's all part of the plan. It's my boss, Mr. Dose.
Special Agent Oso, Mr. Dose here. We've just received a special alert. Molly wants to plant yellow marigolds for her mom, but she's not sure how to do it. Your special assignment, help Molly plant flowers.
Sounds like a plan.